not just a light in our sky. It is the gravitational anchor holding our world together. If it disappeared tonight, Earth would literally start to wobble out of control. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing nothing but an empty, black void where the moon used to be. Most people think it would just be a bit darker at night. They couldn't be more wrong. The moon is the only reason our seasons are stable, our days are 24 hours long, and our oceans follow a rhythm. Without it, the Earth would descend into a state of permanent, violent chaos. We are about to explore the terrifying timeline of a moonless Earth, from the death of the oceans to the collapse of human civilization. Phase 1. The tidal collapse, time, 10 minutes after disappearance. The first sign of disaster won't be in the sky. It will be at the coastline. The moon's gravity is responsible for 2/3 of our ocean's tides. Without that pull, the global ocean would immediately begin to redistribute its weight. Massive, unpredictable surges of water would smash into coastal cities like New York, London, and Dhaka. But once the water settles, the real problem begins. The tides would lose 70% of their strength. The ocean, which is currently a massive circulating lung for our planet, would become stagnant. Marine ecosystems that rely on tidal movements to distribute nutrients would collapse instantly. The smell of billions of tons of rotting sea life would soon cover every coastline on Earth. Phase 2. The Great Wobble Time, 1 month later. This is where the physics of our planet turns into a nightmare. Earth sits on a 23.5-degree tilt, which gives us our seasons. The only reason we don't tip over is the moon's gravitational stabilization. Without our anchor, the Earth would start to wobble like a dying top. This is called axial instability. In a few years, the tilt could shift drastically. The North Pole could suddenly point directly at the sun, melting the ice caps in weeks and drowning the rest of the world. Or the Earth could tip so far that the equator becomes a frozen wasteland while the poles become scorching deserts. Agriculture would become impossible. You couldn't grow food when a winter lasts for years and a summer lasts for decades. Phase 3. The 6-hour day and the wind storms. 6 months later, you would notice that your watch is now completely useless. Currently, the moon's tidal friction acts like a brake, slowing down the Earth's rotation. Without that brake, the Earth would start spinning faster and faster. A day would no longer be 24 hours. It would shrink to just 6 or 8 hours. Imagine a world where the sun rises and sets every 3 hours. But the speed isn't the only issue. This rapid rotation would trigger the most violent weather humanity has ever seen. Massive windstorms, traveling at over 300 miles per hour, would become a daily occurrence. These winds would flatten skyscrapers, uproot forests, and make life on the surface nearly impossible. Humanity would be forced to live underground just to escape the permanent global hurricane. Phase 4. The darkness and psychological decay. Beyond the physical destruction, there is the psychological toll. For millions of years, life on Earth has evolved to follow the lunar cycle. Many animals rely on moonlight to hunt and survive. Without it, entire food chains would vanish in months. For humans, the permanent darkness of the night would change our biology. Our internal circadian rhythms, which are tied to the light-dark cycle, would be shattered. Crime would skyrocket in the absolute darkness of the new world. We would realize, too late, that the moon wasn't just a beautiful object in the sky. It was the silent guardian of our sanity and our survival. Conclusion: we take that white glowing sphere for granted every single night, but the moon is the reason we have a stable climate, a predictable day, and a habitable planet. It is the silent partner in the dance of life. If you want to see more mind-bending geographical what-if scenarios that reveal the hidden secrets of our planet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The more we understand our world, the more we realize how lucky we are to have it. I'll see you in the next reality.